Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best knife sharpeners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Chef's Choice Hybrid Knife Sharpener. The Chef's Choice Hybrid Knife Sharpener has dual manual and electric functions and coarse diamond abrasive wheels for a sharp, long-lasting edge. You can use this sharpener on straight-edge knives like chef's knives, Asian-style knives, and serrated edge knives without extra lubrication. To use it, run your blade through the electric sharpener a few times before switching to the manual one for the final polishing touch. The sharpener shaves metal off at 20 degrees, the ideal sharpening angle for most knives. However, it is loud, so it might give you an earache if you have a lot of sharpening to do. If you spend a lot of time cooking at home, this sharpener saves you the headache of replacing your knives frequently. Just be conscious that its motor will automatically shut down if it overheats, so you might want to take breaks between sharpening sessions to protect it from burnout. Keep in mind that it's not designed to sharpen scissors and has no slot for them, either. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Kitchen IQ 50009 Edge Grip 2-Stage Knife Sharpener. For casual kitchen use, the affordable Kitchen IQ 50009 Edge Grip 2-Stage Knife Sharpener can keep your blades sharp for slicing meat, vegetables, or fruit. Plus, you can use this budget 2-stage sharpener on straight and serrated knives. The coarse side is made of carbide, which is not as long-lasting as a diamond surface but still effectively sharpens dull blades. The other side has a ceramic rod for everyday touch-ups and polishing. For added safety, it has a V-edge grip that makes it easy to sharpen without getting your fingers in the way. This edge also prevents knives, especially large ones, from damaging your counter while you pull it through the sharpener. One of the biggest advantages of the Kitchen IQ 50009 is its small and compact size. It fits in the palm of your hand, and you can easily stow it away inside a kitchen drawer or cabinet. The only downside is that the sharpening stones wear out quickly, so you may have to replace this sharpener more frequently. At number 3, we have the Chef's Choice 130 Professional Electric Knife. If you want to make your old knives feel brand new, consider the Chef's Choice Model 130 Electric Knife Sharpener. This option uses 100% medium diamond abrasives that quickly and easily sharpen your blades. Additionally, it features steel sharpeners that create 2 types of finishes, a polished option for general cutting and a micro-serrated finish for cutting meat. You can use this sharpener for various knife types including chef and bread knives, but not kitchen shears or ceramic knives. This Chef's Choice features built-in 20-degree angle guides, so you get the right position for sharpening every time. Sharpening your knife in each slot takes only a few seconds. Once you turn on the motor, pull the blade through 3 to 4 times on each side to get the sharpness you need. At number 2, we have the Longzon 4-in-1 Knife Sharpener. Electric sharpeners are convenient, but if you want more control while you sharpen your knife, opt for a manual knife sharpener like the 4-in-1 Longzon Knife Sharpener. This sharpener is easy to hold, perfect for routine touch-ups, and can sharpen dangerously dull blades. The Longzon is as easy to use as any electric sharpener but allows you to control the pressure and angle. The sharpener has 4 slots with coarse and fine grits, a high-tensile tungsten steel slot for scissors and knives, a diamond abrasive slot to polish and restore blade damage, and a ceramic slot for shine and sheen. Although you can sharpen a wide range of knives with this pick, avoid ceramic or serrated knives. The sharpening steels can also rust when exposed to water, so check that your knives are completely dry before inserting them. While sharpening your knives with the Longzon makes your job easier, it may take time and practice to master the technique. And finally, at number 1, we have the Presto EverSharp Electric Knife Sharpener. If you need a sharpener that won't remove a lot of metal from your knife blade, look no further than the EverSharp Electric Knife Sharpener from Presto. This two-stage electric sharpener is able to sharpen almost every type of knife including alloy, carbon, and stainless steel. This pick has a coarse and fine side with saphirite, a man-made material almost as hard as diamonds. You can use it on serrated and non-serrated blades. The sharpening process is pretty simple. Set the sharpening mode to coarse or fine, then pull the knife back and forth several times through each slot on both sides. There are small bins at the bottom for any metal shavings. The sharpening angle is preset, like most electric sharpeners, so you won't have the flexibility to choose your preferred angle. To ensure the sharpener doesn't shift or slip, it has 3 suction pads that hold it firmly in place. This pick also comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.